Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to counterattack in Expedition 33. Counterattacking in Expedition 33 requires precise parry timing rather than aggressive input. To perform a counterattack, you must successfully parry all of the attacks of the enemy. Enemy attacks can come in the form of just a single attack or a complete combo. If you miss even a single parry, then a counterattack is not possible. For newer enemies, it's best to learn the parry windows by simply dodging first, so you'll get the gist of when that window of opportunity is. Since some enemies as well tend to come back in later stages of the game, it's best to learn them early rather than later. For example, the mine. Although it's always stuck to the simple slap and hammer attacks, its defenses get much stronger and sometimes it even has allies along with it to accompany them in battle. And that's how to counterattack in Expedition 33.